Omo my people, I just dey watch Night Religion and kai movie o. The first scene wey Toyin Abraham waka enter church, I nearly shout. You go dey shock, dey wonder wetin go happen next. Na so the koko start. Abeg make I tell you, Bolaji ogunmola dey burst brain with her energy. Some scene wey she just dey reason things, I dey laugh small, dey fear small. Ayo Mogaji sef na gbege. The way she dey bring sense to her role, make you dey reason life and wetin dey happen for society. Toyin Abraham carry the movie well. E dey bring emotions wey dey hit your chest, like you dey feel am with am. Some scenes dey make you dey wonder small small, like chai, na so e go happen. Some moments I dey cry small, some moments I just dey shake head. The way the movie take show hypocrisy, human weakness, and how we dey deal with our own kind religion na real talk. You go feel relate to some wahala like e dey happen for everyday Naija life. My hot take be say, this movie dey give correct mix of drama, suspense, and small comedy wey go make you reason your own life. Acting dey on point, and e get those moments wey go make your eyes wide. So my people, you dey agree with my hot take? Which scene shock you pass for Night Religion? Abeg drop your reactions for comments, make we dey gist.